Hi everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons we've been looking at ser versus estar. You know they both mean to be and they are not interchangeable. So when you're speaking Spanish and you're trying to express an idea with the verb to be, you have to choose. Do I use ser or do I use estar? So we've looked at the uses of estar, and in these last couple of lessons we've been looking at the uses of ser. So this lesson will take it a little bit further and look at one additional use of the verb ser. So far we've learned that we use ser as opposed to estar when we want to identify people and things. We use ser with de when we want to talk about origin, where someone is from. In this lesson we're going to look at using ser with de to express possession, to talk about to whom something belongs. So let's start off with the question, whose is it? In Spanish, whose is it is de quién es. De quién es. Literally, of whom is it? De quién es. So if I point at an object and I want to know to whom that object belongs, I will say de quién es. De quién es. If I want to say whose book is it, in Spanish, I will say de quién es el libro. De quién es el libro. De quién es el libro. Whose car is that? ¿De quién es ese coche? ¿De quién es ese coche? Literally, of whom is that car? ¿De quién es ese coche? Whose shoe is that? ¿De quién es ese zapato? ¿De quién es ese zapato? ¿De quién es ese zapato? It belongs to Juan, or it's Juan's. In Spanish, I would say, es de Juan. Es de Juan. Es de Juan. It belongs to Maria, or it's Maria's. Es de Maria. It belongs to the professor. If it's a female professor, es de la profesora. Male professor, es del profesor. Remember that de and el contract to del in Spanish. It belongs to the doctor. For a female doctor, es de la doctora. For a male doctor, es del doctor. To express the idea of possession as we do with an apostrophe S in English, we use a slightly different formula. If I want to say it's John's book, in Spanish I literally have to say it is the book of John. Es el libro de John. It's Elena's key. I literally have to say it is the key of Elena. Es la llave de Elena. It's Jose's coat. I literally have to say it is the coat of Jose. Es el abrigo de Jose. It's Mary's umbrella. Literally, it's the umbrella of Mary. Es el paraguas de Mary. So let's recap. Remember that in Spanish we use ser as opposed to estar to identify people and things. We use ser with de to talk about origin, where someone is from. And we use ser and the preposition de to express possession. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.